Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video, it's Dragon Warfare, and let's go ahead and get into today's video. We're talking about different deals on the iPhone 13s, 13, the Pro, and the Pro Max. Of course, can't forget about the little mini, a lot of people do. But today we're checking out this deal on Visible Wireless, guys. It's a pretty good deal. And like I said, we'll be looking at other deals since this phone just came out this past Friday. Let's see what kind of deals they have. So if you guys don't know, Visible Wireless is basically owned by Verizon. They use Verizon's towers. It's only $40 a month for unlimited talk, text, and data. And of course, Hotspot, or $25 if you join a party of 4 or more. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, become a member, experience our network. It does support 5G on Verizon's network as well, so it's pretty cool. Like I said, you can get it as low as $25 a month with Party Pay. Sorry. One line of service, powered by Verizon, unlimited minutes, text, unlimited data as well. Times of congestion, it could slow down, so just be wary. Hotspot is unlimited, but it is capped at 5 megabits per second on the hotspot. Wi-Fi calling on compatible devices, and calling and texting into Canada and Mexico. Pretty cool. You can do a BYOD or bring your own phone, or you can buy one, of course. But today we're looking at the iPhone 13, guys, so you can get one. Pretty stoked, might be doing an unboxing pretty soon, who knows. But it says iPhone 13 Pro, oh so pro. So it says get unlimited data powered by Verizon for as low as $25 a month. Like I said, through the Party Pay. Here's the 3 or the 4 iPhones. What's cool too, I don't know if you guys know, with Visible Wireless is they do offer financing on the phones via Affirm. So they do offer financing. The iPhone 13 Pro as low as $41 a month, 0% APR. Of course, you do have to get pre-qualified or qualified through Affirm. The phone is $984. The Pro Max is $1,080. Like I said, these are the prices through them. So as low as $45 a month, 0% APR. The iPhone 13 is low as $34 a month, or 0% APR. And then, of course, a little mini as low as $30 a month, 0% APR. Like I said, through Affirm. Affirm is basically you finance the phone through them, guys, and then they give you up to 24 months, I believe, to finance, or make the payments on it. That's why, if you want to pay it off quicker, it does give you a different choice. I think it's like I don't know, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. I'm not too sure. You can check it out. But the thing I want to show you guys is it does, when you order these phones, you do get some sweet deals. So here are the deals you can get if you order through Visible. So it says get a $200 to spend almost anywhere. So you can get a $200 gift card or master prepaid card to spend almost anywhere. You also get a free HomePod Mini, guys. So 2 promotions. Of course, these are the different pricing. So that's for the 128. If you want the 256, it's $45 a month. 512 is $54 a month. They don't have the terabyte one, but like I said, we're looking at deals, and the deals are these 2. Of course, you can get them up to 1 terabyte. That's $62 a month, or about $1,500. But that Sierra Blue is pretty nice. So it says get $200 to spend almost anywhere. It says join Visible and create your account. Transfer your number from an eligible carrier. So it does require porting. You have to port your number in from a competing carrier. There's a list that they have approved here. So here is all the carriers that you can do: AT&T, AT&T Prepaid, Boost Mobile, Consumer Cellular, Cricket Wireless, Google Fi, Metro PCS, Mint Mobile, Net10 Wireless, Page Plus, Republic Wireless, Spectrum Mobile, Sprint, Straight Talk, T-Mobile, T-Mobile Prepaid, Ting, Total Wireless, TracFone, US Cellular, Verizon, Virgin Mobile USA, Walmart Family Mobile, and Xfinity. Wow. So if you transfer your number from any of these competing carriers, guys, you will qualify for that promotion. Third step is set up your SIM and activate it. So once you get the phone, you will have to order it. Takes about 2 days, give or take, depending on when you order it. Could take up to 2 days. And then fourth, but not last, of course, it says after completing 3 full months of service payments, you'll receive an email with a code to redeem your virtual gift card. So you can also see here the deals. So like I said, guys, you don't have to make 3 full monthly payments at once. As you just have to make three payments on time. So after you've done, your first month, second month, third month, you'll check your email. They'll give you a code where you can redeem. So you can get Amazon gift card, AutoZone, Bed Bath & Beyond, Best Buy, Cabela's, Chevron, A Child's Place, Famous Footwear, Groupon, Home Chef, Honest, Hotels.com, of course, Joan Fabrics, Lowe's. MasterCard's the one I would get because that one you can basically use anywhere. But if you want to use a gift card on any of these stores like Michael's, Sephora, Southwest Airlines, Sports & Warehouse, Target, Home Depot, ThredUp, Uber Eats, Senni, and Amazon, of course. But like I said, the best one out of here is the one that I would probably get is the MasterCard one. That's just a prepaid MasterCard. And you can use that basically anywhere. So like I said, you have to make 3 full on-time payments, guys. Like I said, after that, you would get it. The second promotion, of course, is the HomePod Mini with iPhone 13 Pro. Pretty cool. It's not going to be the big HomePod. It's the mini version. So this one is $100 value. So it's free. It says become a new member and purchase the iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, or iPhone 13 or the Mini. So any of the iPhone 13s that you pick up, you can get a free HomePod Mini, guys. Transfer your number from an eligible carrier. We already saw the list. Set up your SIM and activate it. After activating, you will receive an email with a code to redeem your free HomePod Mini, guys. And of course, you can check that out with, with them and all that stuff. So here it is. It says, an iconic way to save. Bring your number to visible and buy new iPhone 13. You'll get a free HomePod Mini plus $200. So there it is, guys. Like I said, you're getting basically a $300 value for switching over to Visible Wireless. I already kind of explained their plans and everything. Instead, they do use Verizon's network, which is pretty good. So HomePod Mini says new members who purchase a qualifying device, transfer their number from a competing carrier that's eligible through the list, activate service. Once it's activated, like I said, you can get a code to redeem. And then, of course, you can redeem at visible offers. So that's a lot, guys. So there you go. You type in your promo code or your redemption code. You type it in there, and then from there, it'll continue where you can place your order. And then the gift card is what we just talked about. So pretty cool. Like I said, a total of $300 off. And it's a prepaid carrier, no contracts at all. You just have to pay your phone off through a firm, or you can buy it outright, whichever one you want. You have two sweet deals. So check it out, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to support the channel, you can via checking out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that finds you the best promo codes like these on popular shopping websites. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. Will be in the description below if you want to support the channel, guys. What do you guys think about this? Should I get the phone? Let me know. And what do you think about the deals? Are they good enough to make you switch? So let me know.